Hey guys, Dendrite here, back with another quick video. Today we're looking at a Python tool called GitGhost. This tool was actually sent to me by the creator. They reached out through GitHub and thought it would be something I'd find interesting, and honestly they were right, so shout out to you, thanks for sending it over. It was genuinely fun testing this one. If you're into ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and learning how these tools actually work, consider subscribing, and if you're a security researcher or you've built something interesting in the InfoSec space, feel free to reach out. I'd love to showcase more projects from the community. Now, what does GitGhost actually do? The idea behind this tool is pretty simple. When developers upload code to GitHub, sometimes things get left behind: a hard-coded IP address, an API key, a database connection string, a developer email address, things that were never meant to become public but somehow ended up there anyway. And once something is uploaded to the internet, well, the internet has a very long memory. GitGhost is designed to scan GitHub repositories and identify potentially sensitive information that developers may have accidentally exposed. Installing it is pretty straightforward. The easiest way is through pip using Python's package manager. Alternatively, you can clone the GitHub repository directly, install the required dependencies, and run it that way. The tool also includes a test mode. When you run the test, it displays the banner and gives you an example of what the output should look like when everything is working correctly. Now I'm going to test this against a live GitHub repository. For obvious reasons, I'm going to hide the name of the repository I'm testing against. And as always, use tools like this responsibly. The goal is to identify security problems and help people fix them, not to cause problems for other people. When I first ran this tool, I actually found some pretty interesting results. I found multiple hard-coded IP addresses, a database connection string that appeared to be publicly exposed, and several personal email addresses belonging to developers connected to the project information that was never supposed to be public. And this is what makes tools like this interesting. A lot of security issues don't come from some elite hacker breaking through $1 billion security system sometimes. It's just someone accidentally leaving the keys on the front doorstep. The tool also generates a detailed HTML report with all of its findings. Since I'm running this inside WSL2, I'll open an Explorer window in the current working directory and open the report locally in my browser. And that's GitGhost. A simple tool, but a good reminder that some of the biggest security problems aren't always complicated exploits. Sometimes it's just the information people accidentally leave behind. I hope you found this useful. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what other tools or topics you'd like to see covered. Check out the other videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.